ជំរាបសួរបងប្អូនថ្ងៃនេះជួបគ្នាទៀតហើយជាមួយនឹងពាក្យថ្មីៗនៅក្នុងភាសាអង់គ្លេសរបស់យើងតោះចង់ដឹងថាតើពាក្យថ្មីៗនោះមានអ្វីខ្លះទៅទស្សនាទាំងអស់គ្នា
Synonyms
ពាក្យខុសគ្នាតែមានអត្ថន័យដូចគ្នា
adorable, lovably, charming, delightful, pleasing, cute, sweet,
គួរឲ្យស្រឡាញ់
advantage, benefit, pros, merit, dominance, supremacy, superiority,
អត្ថប្រយោជន៍
bad, faulty, unacceptable, inadequate, disgraceful, appalling,
អាក្រក់
beauty, Venus, beauty queen, English rose, stunning, fascinating,
សម្រស់
dangerous, hazardous, risky, unpredictable, threatening,
គ្រោះថ្នាក់
disadvantage, downside, demerit, shortcoming,
គុណវិបត្តិ
encourage, motivate, boost the morale, stimulate,
លើកទឹកចិត្ត
exercise, movement, physical activity, effort, work, workout, sports,
លំហាត់ប្រាណ
facility, amenity, space, provision, solution, means potential, equipment,
បរិក្ខារ
favor, approval, commendation, esteem, goodwill, benevolence, kindness,
អនុគ្រោះ
food, nutriment, nourishment, fare, bread, daily bread,
អាហារ
forgive, excuse, absolve, grant an amnesty to, let off,
លើកលែងទោស
free time, leisure pursuit, spare time, break, halt, freedom, intermission,
ពេលទំនេរ
friends, companion, bosom friend, boon companion, playmate, soulmate,
មិត្តសម្លាញ់
good, superb, fantastic, up to the mark, terrific, brilliant,
ល្អ
help, assist, aid, help out, lend a hand to, come to the aid of,
ជួយ
hide, conceal, camouflage, put out of sight, put in a hiding place, lock up,
លាក់ឬក៏ពួន
lazy, idle, slothful, inactive, slow dimpling, listless, slow heavy, dull,
ខ្ជិល
like, similar to, the same as, identical to,
ស្រដៀងគ្នាទៅនឹង
office, workstation, commercial area, day job, occupation, workplace, workroom, studio,
ការិយាល័យ
parents, guardians, caretaker, biological parents, well-wishers, birth parents,
អាណាព្យាបាល
place, location, position, scene, site, spot,
ទីកន្លែង
popular, taking off, gaining grounds, renowned, well-established,
ពេញនិយម
prepare, make ready, put together, draw up, construct, compose,
រៀបចំ
relatives, acquaintances, extended family members, kinsfolk,
ញាតិសន្តាន
stop, deter, halt, stop an action, cease, end, finish,
បញ្ឈប់
strong, powerful, muscular, well-built, tough, vigorous, rugged,
រឹងមាំ
study, learning, education, academic work, scholarship, bookwork,
ការសិក្សា
teacher, educator, trainer, taught, lecturer, professor, faculty,
គ្រូបង្ហាត់បង្រៀន
tell, mention, say, inform, notify, put in the picture,
ប្រាប់ឬជូនដំណឹង
weak, feeble, fragile, delicate, weakly, tired, exhausted,
ទន់ខ្សោយ
wrong, incorrect, erroneous, illegal, against the law,
ខុស
children, youngster, fledgling, juvenile, ward, minor,
កុមារ
decide, make a choice, make your mind, determine,
សម្រេចចិត្ត
people, humankind, mortals, mankind, the human race, Homo sapiens,
មនុស្ស
traveler, voyager, tourists, passenger, visitor, tourer,
អ្នកធ្វើដំណើរ
trouble, difficulty, disturbance, conflict, unrest, worry, anxiety, tuition.
បញ្ហាឬការលំបាក វីដេអូមេរៀនរបស់យើងបានមកដល់ទីបញ្ចប់ហើយសូមអរគុណដល់បងប្អូនដែលចូលចិត្តទស្សនានិងចូលចិត្តរៀនជាមួយនឹងនាងខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណសូមជួយចុច Subscribe និងចុចសញ្ញាកណ្ដឹងចុច Like និងបើសិនជាបងប្អូនមានចម្ងល់អ្វីផ្សេងៗបងប្អូនអាចធ្វើការ comment ឬក៏ email មកកាន់នាងខ្ញុំដើម្បីនាងខ្ញុំធ្វើការស្រាវជ្រាវនិងចែករំលែកនៅចំណេះដឹងថ្មីៗជូនបងប្អូនជាបន្តបន្ទាប់សូមអរគុណសូមជម្រាបលា